I made over $1,144 in 90 minutes on a TikTok live stream, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did and how you can copy it and do it too. Here we go. So what I do, guys, is I have 4 TikTok accounts, and one day, just recently, I was on a TikTok live stream, and I had a couple of people, we were playing a game, and it was a challenge, and I created a competition between gifters on the live stream, and what happened was they started blowing up my live, guys, and they started sending massive donations and massive gifts because they loved the game I was playing. And yes, in 90 minutes, I made over $1,144, and here's the proof of what, I'm going to show you the proof right now. There's the proof right there, $1,144.78 on one live in one day. There's the 2 deposits. I made one deposit over 900 and one deposit over 200. There's the proof, guys. Okay, so there you go. That was one day, one live, 90 minutes, guys. $1,144 and change, okay? Now, I have been doing TikTok only for about 8 months now, guys. Brand new to it. But I've created a system where you can make money 3 to 5 different ways. One of those ways is going live. The second way is to sell products. The third way is to get sponsors. And the fourth way is through the TikTok Creator Fund. But you can make money daily. I'm talking cash daily, guys, that you can deposit. I send money from my TikTok lives 3, 4, 5 different times a day. That's right, 3 to 5 times a day. And I send it right into my PayPal account, and the money is there instantaneously. If you would like me to help you set up your TikTok account to where you can make money cash daily, guys, going live, I want you to comment below. Send me your information. Tap on the link in the description. Set up a live call with me, okay? I'll get you on a live WhatsApp call. The number's right here, okay? I don't jerk around. I'm 1,000,000% upfront and honest. I don't bullshit you. I guarantee that I can get you making money every day on TikTok, or you don't ever have to talk to me again, okay? Tap the link in the description below. Set up your call right now. Love to help you guys. TikTok is the #1 app in the world. It's only going up, and if you're not making money on TikTok, you're out of your mind. I'll talk to you soon.